Okay, so today we're going to be replacing a laptop screen, LCD screen, on an HP model number 14-CF0006DX. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure the power is off and the residual power is expelled. We're going to take off this little piece right here. Just going to get you a little pry tool and pop it off. And this is this to be installed. There we go. Pop that out the back. Then you're going to open the laptop screen up and just start at one edge and be careful to slide all the way around all four of the surfaces to get this screen off. There's a lot of glue on here, so you have to just go really slow. I like to use my fingers so that way you can feel the tension as well as go real slow on the screen removal. This bevel is pretty delicate, so you have to be very careful, especially around the screen area, the webcam area, to not damage anything. And then just at the bottom is where the most of the glue is. Just go real slow, pulling all that off. There you go. Once you have the bevel out, you'll remove the screen. There we go, finally. Okay, so once after that's done, you're going to remove the tape so you can get the 30 pin off. This is more helpful with a razor blade. And once you have that, you can pull the pin out. And there's the screen removal. To be safe, you can also put new adhesive on each of the sides. This glue is on there tight. Here's our new screen. So you flip this over, put the 30 pin back in. Make sure it's connected, retape it. You can also apply a new layer of tape if you like. That way it stays secure in place. You put double-sided tape along. You put double-sided tape along here like it had before, which we're going to pause for while we do that. Alright, so we've gone ahead and installed a couple strips of double-sided tape. Make sure you press that in nice and firmly. On the bevel, you're going to have to make sure you get all of the glue off of here. Next, we've added our new 3M tape. Alright, now make sure you pull the, and when you're ready, pull the dust cover off the new LED screen. Now you can put your bezel back on. I like to start my way at the top and work my way down. Alright, make sure that you get your wires back in their slots. Definitely don't want to pinch any wires. And then you can put back on your other bezel piece. And then you can turn the power back on. And there you have it. One screen replaced. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.